In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add breakpoint in Elementor. So in order to add a breakpoint in your Elementor, what you can do is you first need to head over right here to your elementor.com, click onto this login option or to this get started in order to create or have an account. So next, head over to wordpress.com. This is because Elementor is typically hosted through WordPress or through WooCommerce. Head over and click on login or get started as well in order to have your own account. Now, in order to add a breakpoint, we need to head over right here to our dashboard that we have created. Then go over right here to the Elementor, hover to that until you can see the settings option and click on it. Once you're on your settings, you should be able to find the features option right here. So head over and click on this right there. Then you can see this experiments and features. So locate the additional custom breakpoints option. So here it is right here. As of right now, it's on default. But for this one, let's choose active. And scroll down and save the changes that you have made. Now, the next thing we need to do is to open our Elementor editor. To do that, just locate the actual page that have it already activated. We have in here our Elementor 42. Let's head over and edit this and open this in a new tab right here. So you can see it right here. Just head over and click on this plus icon. And in here, you can just click onto the search option and search in here for breakpoints. So just search in here for that. You can see this page break. So just input that wherever you want to put it into this particular editor. And you can actually utilize it all together through this way. So this page break helps separate your content into multi-page experience so you can head over and add it wherever you want to put it in order to edit this and add that all together. Once you're done, click on the save option in order to save everything. So that's how you add breakpoint in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.